Oh, that's kind of cool. What does that mean? Nothing. Anything. And it means everything. A poem for Hecate, the goddess demands it. Hecate, Hecate, Hecate. Hecas, Hecas este bebeloi. My goddess, my love, the beloved. Why do you look like that? I don't know about that one. Oh, man. Oh, how shocking! How bold! How theatrical. Is it? Oh, the sun. The sun is setting. Is it rising or does it set? Setting and rising, setting and rising. The sun. So bold, longing for the moon, reflecting off the moon. Loving the moon. The light loving the dark loving the light, the dark accepting the light. Licking the edges of the light. And then there's this shit. Ah! That was too loud. No, it's cursed. It's been cursed the whole time. I love you. I love you. Sponsored by Beats by Dre.